What's going on, guys? One Extra Passenger back at it again with a different video for you today. What are we doing today? We are going to be unboxing not one, not three, but two iPhones that just came in the mail for us. They're going to be my sister's phone and my phone. So we've got a 12 and a 12 Pro to show you guys today. So we've got two phones for you here today. Let's check these guys out. On our left here, we have just the regular Pro in Pacific Blue, 64 gigs. And on our right hand side, we've got it in gold, 256. This is going to be our Pro. So I don't know which one I want to take apart first, but because this one has already been kind of teasing me, I think I'm going to go ahead and unbox the 12 first, save the Pro for dessert. So I got nervous, so I'm gonna go get some food. We're gonna go get some food. Ian's coming downstairs. Let's go. We're gonna do a vlog. It's gonna be a vlog unboxing. There he is. Woo! Alright, not nervous anymore. Got everybody here. Got Ian. Got David. Let's record the video now. So we're gonna be taking a look here. iPhone 12. Pacific Blue. Thank you, Kat, for letting me do this. So let's go ahead and open this guy. Oh. Oh, is it stuck? Beautiful. For those of you guys who love the boxes, I love the boxes. I've kept every box I've had since the iPhone 6s Plus. But let's do the big reveal here. Ooh, ooh! This is a much deeper color than I thought it would be. So here, I'm gonna show you guys here real close. This is, yeah, like almost purpley, right?
That's dark.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice! Oh. I mean, I'm not sure what to look at, but it looks nice.
It's a block.
It's a block. It's nice. I do like the aluminum finish on the side. I think that's going to go really well with, like, you know, if you don't have that case on for a little bit. It can help with those fingerprints. Show it up close here. It's really light. That's one of the first things I noticed, is that it's super light compared to... This is super light compared to, like, my phone. I have the 11 Pro Max. I like it. Wow. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So this is a really small box compared to previous releases. Looks like we're getting... Ooh, do we get stickers though? Okay, we got the SIM card ejector. Got some notes. Oh, we do get your Apple sticker, of course, to put on the back of your car to let everyone know. That's it in there. And then the thing that everyone's going to be talking about and might be annoyed about is the USB-C to Lightning cable that they're including now. I don't know how you guys feel about this. I know a lot of people who haven't used any like USB-C devices until, you know, I don't know how I feel about that. They're kind of enticing you and almost forcing you to buy like a USB-C power brick. It's like they're almost trying to start getting the masses to start using USB-C. You know, I really was hoping that it would actually come on this new phone, but I guess it makes more sense since not a lot of people have USB-C devices yet, especially, you know, the Apple community. A lot of people are still using like MacBooks from like the 2016, 2015 time, where, you know, they still had USB ports. The iPhone probably still had a headphone jack, that kind of stuff. So I don't know. Let me know how you guys feel about that. Are you going to be buying a new cube? I mean, I have a few myself since I've had the fast chargers, the like 18-watt cube, but I don't know. That's going to be extra cost on top of the phone, on top of the cases you're going to be already buying. Is a USB-C power brick going to be one of the accessories that you pick up along with it? So, okay, I found my phone. let me clear this up out of the way here. We're not going to take that out because we're going to let Kat enjoy that. We're going to put all this back together. So here is iPhone 12. I'm going to take the case off of my current phone, the 11 Pro Max. Very nice.
Very nice.
I don't know if this is going to be a fair comparison because this isn't the Max. The Max has not come out for another couple weeks, but let's look at the back, see what the differences are. Looks like the 12 went with the mirror finish while the 11 Pro had the matte finish on the back. But of course what you're going to see is the big difference is instead of the rounded edges, it's going to have the flat edges that are kind of reminiscent of the iPhone 5 series, which I really like. Ooh. Ooh.
Base case. Broken.
Oh, and I think what they were talking about on the announcement is that the iPhone 12 is supposed to have like a more scratch and crack resistant screen. I'm not going to drop it for you because I didn't get Apple Care. I can drop this phone, but I'm not going to. Unless y'all want that. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a drop test. You know, I can drop it from like 6 feet, 9 feet, 69 feet. I'm going to show this here. So, banana for scale. What you can expect with these phones. Don't mind that. I was peeling it off. And I'm going to eat it.
But you got another phone to do.
You just made a great point. I still have the other phone. So it looks like I'm going to have 2 bananas tonight.
No, you can't do that. That's too much potassium. You're going to kill yourself.
Yeah. It's going to be the weirdest unboxing video you guys have ever seen.
We ate during it. We're eating again during it.
So what's next here? What are we talking about next here? Let's talk about, so we've got the first impressions here. We've talked about the feel. We talked about the weight. We've talked about the finish. But have we talked about the next guy? The Pro. Let's get into it. As Google Foods would say.
Should have Googled.
Let's do it. Boom. iPhone 12 Pro. So you're gonna see, you'll know it's the Pro because it's in a black box. I got this one in gold. And let's open it up. Ooh. Clean. Whoa-pow. Open this guy up. Ooh. Ooh. I didn't expect that. I looked at the pictures before I bought it, but I didn't expect it to be so creamy. So it retains that stove top that you guys have seen on the 11. 3 cameras. Supposed to be bigger, better, faster, stronger. All that jazz. This is what you guys are here for though. Look at that. It's beautiful. That brushed stainless steel finish, got in gold. That's a different flavor for your soup, everybody. If you don't get that joke, thank you, David, for laughing at that joke. I immediately notice my fingerprints all over the side of this phone. Man, and I didn't even order a case yet. So here we go. Well, I don't know what to say, but this is nice. It is pretty. Is it the same thing as last year? Maybe, for some of us. I'm not going to turn it on yet. This is just first impression and an unboxing. I don't think they give us anything else different in the box itself. I think it's all the same stuff. SIM card remover, sticker, initial startup stuff, and of course that USB-C cable again. So, you know, I guess it makes sense for someone who wants to upgrade to one of these phones and give them this cable. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know how to feel about this. Everything's great. The build of it feels light. I'm sure it's going to be a fantastic phone, especially with that 5G whenever there's towers available. But I'm still questioning why they included this cable. I don't know if they're just trying to prep everybody for their future releases, which I think that's what they're going to do. All of their Pro devices nowadays all utilize that USB-C port, everywhere from the new MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, the iMacs, and the iPad. Did I already say iPad Pros? iPad Pros. I'll say it again. They all use USB-C, and I think their new iPad Air also uses USB-C now. So I can see that port starting to trickle down into the lower areas of their lineup, so maybe they're just trying to get more people familiar with it. I see this phone ending up in the people's hands that have like 10Rs, iPhone 10s. Some people are still rocking their 8s. That's I think the demographic of people who would be upgrading to this phone. I don't really see any differences, like tech-wise and spec-wise, that would justify trading in this phone for the next one. I might have, waited a year or two. I don't know, just my general thoughts. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.